Yeah, so recently I ran into a problem when I was trying to cross post um, my Substack notes. I was trying to cross post my Substack notes to LinkedIn and X, and I had to figure out a solution to do that. So this is gonna be a video on how you can cross post your Substack notes and post across X, LinkedIn, and Substack. Threads is coming, so this is how I'm doing it, and it's been pretty consistent. It's been pretty good. I've added subscribers. I've also added followers on Instagram, on X, and yeah, so I recommend this out. I think the most cool thing about this is how it's been able to repurpose content across all the platforms naturally. It's also been very impactful in scheduling my Substack notes and cross-posting those Substack notes to LinkedIn and X. So I'm going to do a demo shortly about how you can do the same using Nararich. So to do that, you sign up at nararich.com. After signing up, they have like a 7 free day trial to test and see if it's something that works for you or it doesn't work for you. And their pricing is very fair. I think it's 19 bucks. So try that out. So once you are here, you either create an account or you sign in. So I'm going to sign in because I have an account with them. After signing with them, they have like pretty cool UI. So you can add on to Notes Hub. So I think this is the most favorite part for me. It's I can just click create new note. I can type my note here. For instance, I can just say my new note, or I can choose to use my already like the articles I've written in Substack. I can repurpose those particular articles. So for instance, let me say I want to repurpose this. So to repurpose that, I can choose to maybe generate notes or make it shorter. So once I'm done that, I have an ability to schedule it. So I can just click on add to queue, and automatically it's going to be added to my queue. One cool thing about this is the fact that I can write both short notes and long form articles. So it's going to be so easy for me to write it using their own editor, which is, in my opinion, it's world class. So I can provide my story. For instance, I have a story here, and then I can choose to publish it to Medium, Substack, and LinkedIn article. So essentially, Nararich is a solution for me to publish across Substack, X, LinkedIn, and Medium, all in just one dashboard with an ability for me to track all the statistics. As you can see, this is my total traffic. You can see my X traffic. You can also see my Medium traffic, and also the LinkedIn traffic is incoming. So yes, check this out and let me know. I think one of the coolest thing about this is the fact that it has so much information about my content, about my audiences, and how I can improve it. So I think I would definitely recommend you or anyone to use this. So check it out and let me know. Thank you.